Squish it. Squish the bug. Is that what that is?
That's a worm.
There's a worm?
Yeah.
You squished that worm?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now it's stand on.
Uh-huh. You stand on it.
Is there more? Daniel?
No, I don't. Come on, get up.
Look!
What? Oh, what is that?
Truck.
Let me see.
See?
That looks like an interesting thing. It looks like kind of like a tractor.
Look.
Look. I wonder what that is.
It's a tractor.
That's a tractor. You know that that's Joshua's tractor?
Look.
That is.
Look.
That's Joshua's tractor.
Me?
Yeah.
Can I drive it?
You can drive it. Poppy bought it for you.
No,
Not
he
Poppy.
didn't.
I'm sorry. Daddy bought it for you.
What?
Daddy bought you a tractor for your birthday.
That's okay?
Yes. Daddy bought it. Isn't that a nice tractor? Wow.
Hey, look here. Say thank you, Daddy. Look up and say thank you, Daddy.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Look at Nanny and say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Dad.
That's good.
Thank you, Daddy.
Do you want to go outside and play with the tractor that Daddy bought you?
Yep.
Yep.
It's not working.
Oh, yeah, it's working fine. I'll show you how.
How do I pause this?
Hey.
I don't know how you pause it.
Hey, Papa. It's not working this.
Okay.
But if you want, I can edit it in my editing program later.
Yeah? Okay.
Papa.